We got an unboxing today. Big shout out to TST Bikes. They sent me an e-bike. Let's go ahead and get her set up. Y'all, you would think by now I would be a pro at unboxing stuff like this, e-bikes and all that. No. No, it feels like it gets more complicated every time. And I don't be wanting to just slice into it, but I guess. Okay, now that we've got it unboxed like this, I'm just trying to pull it out like that, and then we'll cut everything off of it. User manual for instructions. So, yeah. This is, we're gonna open this in a second. Okay, y'all, my phone died while setting it up, but she's set up. I still just gotta put like the light on. There's a couple little stuff that I ain't put on yet, but yeah, gotta take this off too. But this is how she looks. She's gonna have a light right there. I love that it got like the extended seat. But yeah, we're gonna take her for a little test ride And we gonna see how she does. Yeah, and I'm gonna make sure that I tag TST bikes and put all the other information on the screen, because yeah, super excited. This is what the bike looks like once you turn it on. You got your miles per hour, how far you've gone, and then I guess this is like what setting you're in. Got our handlebars look. So this is all of your controls. Like I said, this being the settings, you press the plus and you see it goes up and down. You also got like your gears, so you can control how much like pressure is on the pedals. You know, if you grew up riding bikes, then you already know. But yeah, this is the gas, the brakes. Yeah, we're gonna go for a little test drive, and we're gonna see how she does. My first stop on a bike, it's a lot more peppy than the last bike that I got. It has a lot more pickup to it. The pedal assist gives you a lot more push to it. Yeah, the throttle response. Throttle response is a lot better. Like I said, a lot more pickup, a lot heavier. I like the setup of this bike more. But yeah, so far, definitely a 10 out of 10 so far. I don't have nothing. So, like I said, I'm pedaling right now, but outside with it. I did get up to like 22 on a dirt road. That might be the max that it goes. But yeah, get the pedaling going super fast on the highway. It's so funny to me to pedal because it's been so long since I rode like a pedal bike. But like I said, the pedal assist does come in clutch. So like if you're going, you could do like, you know, a 1-2 and you're gonna pick up. Your speed's gonna increase and all that. But y'all, I really do love the e-bikes. They're so fun. And you know, you don't gotta worry about gas, all the extra stuff like a dirt bike. So yeah.